Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In this video, I'll show you how to complete the Crime Squad Part 3 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please like and subscribe. To finish this mission, you must complete 3 specific objectives. Play with your crew members for 4 hours, rob 6 bank vaults, and rob 3 jewelry stores. First, to play with a crew, you can either join any existing crew or create your own by clicking the menu icon, hitting the plus button, and adding players. Playing like this for a total of 4 hours will clear your first task. Next, you need to head over to the bank and rob 6 bank vaults one after another to finish the second task. Finally, you need to rob 3 jewelry stores. As you can see, I have already robbed 2, and this is my third heist. Once you finish this final robbery, the mission will be fully complete. If you don't know how to rob the jewelry store, I have a separate video on that which you can search for on YouTube. As you can see, my third heist is done and the mission is officially complete. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.